Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a 4K portable dock that also gives you guys like the wireless charging option on top, which is very unique because a lot of other products do not have the option available. But you can see for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and when you guys use the product, it's compatible with any of these devices, which is pretty awesome. But first, I'm going to open it up to show you guys what's on the product. So once you guys take this part out, there's a box inside. If you guys open it, once you guys open it, this is what the inside looks like. So they do provide a user manual to show you guys what's on here for each different output and how to use it. In the inside, we do have some more user manual as well to teach you guys how to use it. But at the very bottom, and see we do have the product. So let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So top part right here, they do have this very nice fabric that feels really nice. But basically for this part right here, and do the wireless charging option, there's a support up to 10 watts when you guys do use it. Right here, you can see we do have the brand name. On the other end right here, you can see we do have a USB-C option. And that is where it's going to plug into your laptop or whatever when you guys do use it. And when you guys feel the cable on here, it definitely feels very high quality. It is nylon braided, so it's much more high quality than the regular cable option. And you can see on the side of the part right here is actually pretty cool. Basically what that slot is for is so that way you can put it inside like this. And that will basically help you guys hold the cable inside to keep it organized, which is pretty nice. And if you guys can see on the side right here, we do have some more stuff. So we do have an Ethernet option and 2 HDMI option. If you guys turn on the other side right here, we do have 2 USB option and 1 USB-C option. And then here we do have the indicator light to show you guys when it's working or not for the wireless charging option and also for the USB-C option. I believe for this button right here is for you guys to change what you guys want to use. So whether if you guys want to use the wireless charging option or if you guys want to use everything else, you just want to switch it. So just like this. Very easy and very simple. And then right here in the bottom, you see they do have like the non-slip material. So that way when you guys put it on a flat table, it won't move around. And if you guys are curious about the power that's on here when you guys do use it, in terms of the USB-C option, it can support up to 100 watts when you guys do use it. So if you guys want to recharge like a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, you do have the option available. And in terms of the HDMI option, like I mentioned, it does support 4K image quality when you guys do use it. And then for both the USB option and the USB-C option, if you guys want to use their transfer files, it will support up to 10 gigabytes per second when you guys are transferring files from one device to another. And when you guys look at the size of the product, it's not that big. It's actually very compact and very minimal, which is really cool and very convenient, especially when you guys are using it for traveling. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product all plugged in. You can see how when you guys do plug it in, the light does turn on. So right now we do have the button selected at the wireless charging option. So if you guys try to use the other option, let's see what actually works. So I'll plug in this USB cable right here to see what actually works when we're using the wireless charging option. So let's do plug it in. Let me see how it does not work. But once you guys change it, now we have it changed. Let me see how once you guys do change it, it does work. So basically allow you guys to use one or the other. Let's change it back to the other one to show you guys whether or not the wireless charging option works. So if you guys do change it back, now we change it back to wireless charging option. So if you guys do put your phone on here, let me see it does work. So even with the case that I do have right here, or the MagSafe case that I do have right here from the Case-Defy brand, it still works. And if you guys want to use the USB-C option to recharge like your laptop, you do have the option available. Let me test it out to show you guys what actually works. So if you guys change it back to the other side, let's plug it in. So right here I do have my cable. If you guys do plug it in, if you guys can hear, it does work. So see right here, show you guys that it's charging. And obviously, like I mentioned, when you guys use the product, if you guys want to use all the different outlets at the same time, in terms of the USB-C option, the USB option, the HDMI option, and the Ethernet option at the same time, you do have the option available. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that when you guys do have your USB-C cable plugged in to charge your laptop, you can see how both of them does light up. So if you guys try to use the wireless charging option, you can see it does work. And once you guys do unplug it, it won't work anymore. So the only way for you guys to use everything at the same time and the wireless charging option is when you guys plug in a USB-C cable to recharge your laptop and the device at the same time to generate power on here. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice quick test of product, definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. You can see from the test when you guys do use it, it definitely works pretty well. For me, since I use the Wi-Fi, I don't need to use the Ethernet option, but you do have the option available if you guys do need it. But I still feel like the coolest thing about the product is the fact that how it does have the built-in wireless charging option. So that way you can charge the device using that, or you can use the cable to plug in as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality docking station that give you guys everything that I mentioned on here, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.